Hey guys, how's it going? It's your host and narrator, Little Ace Boogie. Today's car choice is going to be a 2007 Ford Mustang Stage 3 Roushe. The paint on this one's a little bit faded because of strong heat concentration on the car's paint. It's one of my older videos, but still a great and very rare vehicle to share with my audience. I watched a couple other videos and I learned that there was only 296 Stage 3 Roushes built for the year 2007 alone. The Roushe is basically exactly the same as a Ford Mustang GT, but with Roush's performance package. The Stage 3 Roushe comes with Roush's supercharged 4.6-liter V8 pushing 415 horsepower. That's 115 more horsepower than a stock Ford Mustang GT. The Roush's engine has 381 pound-feet of torque and has an overall 0 to 60 second time of 4.6 seconds, while the stock Ford Mustang GT runs it in 0 to 60 seconds time of 5.1 seconds. The Stage 3 Roushe comes with 18-inch 5-spoke aluminum rims. Some of the big differences between a stock Ford Mustang GT and the Stage 3 Roushe are as listed: an upgraded 7-piece aerodynamic kick, special front struts, 35% stiffer springs, larger front and rear anti-roll bars, upgraded bushings, Roush's custom rear panhard rod, custom 4-piston brake calipers, low valence fog lights, Roush's emblems, and even some other Roushes included the racing stripes. Some of the interior upgrades include Roush's Stage 3 embroidered sport leather seats, a special white face gauge cluster with the Jack Roush signature, Roush's gas brake and clutch pedals, embossed floor mats, and that was pretty much all.